Officials from the University of Rochester say COVID-19 cases are rising quickly among the undergraduate population, and they are warning if this trend continues, parts of the college may have to be shut down again. Kayla Green reports.
University officials say the surge happening on campus now is at a point they haven't seen before, and it will lead to a pause on River and/or the Eastman School of Music campus if things continue the way they're going. Daniel Lee and Lillian Altonen are sophomores at the U of R.
We're doing a lot worse than last semester, so it's kind of concerning in terms of how fast the COVID cases are going up. And we might have like a repeat of like 2 semesters ago.
There's no need to gather in big groups and stuff like that. We have access to all of the necessary tools to be virtual and stuff like that, so there's no need to continuously expose yourself to other people.
In an email to staff, the director of University Health Service, Dr. Ralph Manchester, says the campus community can't afford to be complacent right now. He says the number of student-positive cases in the past 2 weeks alone is equal to the total number of cases from the first 2 months of the fall semester. He says the rate exposures are turning into positive cases is also much higher. A pause would go into effect on River campus and/or the Eastman School of Music if there are 100 or more positive cases within a 2-week period. If this happens, all in-person courses switch to online, dining services would be grab-and-go only, and students would have to stay in their residence halls until the number of cases stays below 100 for at least 2 weeks. Bradley Martin is a junior at the U of R.
I know it's very tempting, me, myself included, where you're back on campus, you haven't seen your friends in months, and you just want to go and hang out. But if the rules are in place for a reason.
Students are encouraged to complete their online COVID screening test each day and make themselves available for surveillance testing when they are called to do it. In Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
All right, Kayla, thank you. The U of R also tested students before they arrived back on campus.